Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, review muna tayo ng algebra from Engineering Mathematics. Pero before that, shoutout muna kay Adolfo Florin. And maraming salamat Lodrikik sa patuloy na support mo sa channel natin. And I hope you all the best, more power sa Lods. Ito yung problem natin. Three numbers form a geometric sequence. If their product is 216 and their sum is 21, find the sum of the squares of the numbers in the sequence. So alam naman natin na kapag geometric sequence, we have what we call as the common ratio. This common ratio will determine our next term. Kunyari, ang common ratio natin ay 2. So, kunyari, yung 6 times natin sa 2, that's 12. Yung 12 times natin sa 2, that's 24. Yung sequence natin will be 6, 12, 24 and will now be a geometric sequence. So, meron tayong common na multiplier, mga Lodi Cakes. So, ang gagawin ni Sir IJ dito is, I have to form a sequence which is geometric na may common ratio na R. So, ang gagawin ko dito mga idol, binigay ko yung product 216. Ang best way to do this or to represent this is, ang first term ko will be A over R. Ang second term ko ay A. Ang third term ko ay AR. Sir IJ, bakit hindi na lang po nag-start tayo ng A, AR, tsaka AR squared? What is the logic behind that? Because the given is product. Kapag ito, minultiply mo yung product, makukuha mo agad si middle term. Okay? So, yung A over R, tinimes ko sa R. So, that is A. Yung A, tinimes ko sa R, that's AR. So, ang gawin natin, kunin natin yung product. So, we have A over R multiplied by A. Multiplied by AR, that is 216. Cancel out R, sorry. That's A cube equals 216. Getting the cube root, so that is A equals cube root of 216 or that is simply equal to 6. So, meron na tayong middle term. So, this will now form 6 over R, 6 and 6R. Sinabi yung sum nila ay 21. So, that will now become 6 over R plus 6 plus 6R equals 21. Lipat natin si 6. So, 6 over R plus 6R equals 15. Tama ba mga Lodi Cakes? Kasi 21 minus 6, that is 15. Multiply both sides by R will yield us with 6 plus 6R squared equals 15R. Simplify natin. Rewrite lang natin mga Lodi Cakes. Minus 15R plus 6 equals 0. Common yung 3 Sir IJ. Pwede natin siyang i-multiply by 1/3. So that will now be 2R squared minus 5R plus 2 equals 0. You can use your calculators to solve for R or you can easily factor this as 2R. Dito yung 2, dito yung 1. So you have minus here kasi negative to equals 0. So applying the zero property of multiplication, so that is 2R minus 1. So we have 2R minus 1 equals 0. You have R equals 1/2. And R minus 2 equals 0. You have R equals 2. So either of the two naman, same lang naman din yung magiging sequence natin. Yung isa pababa, yung isa pataas, pero same numbers pa rin. Gamitin natin yung R na 2, pero pwede rin naman yung 1/2. So if R is 2, so this will now be 6 over 2, 6, 6 times 2, that is 3, 6, and 12. Pag ginamit nyo yung 1/2, magiging ano to? 12, 6, tapos 3. Same lang naman, pabaligtad lang siya. Since you are asking for the sum of the squares, so you have 3 squared plus 6 squared plus 12 squared. That is 9 plus 36 plus 144, which gives you the final answer, which is equal to 189. So guys, sana na-review yung sequence natin. And nabigyan kayo ng tip ni Sir IJ paano mag-solve ng ganitong klase ng problems so that we can easily directly solve one term of the sequence like for this example. Na-solve agad natin si middle term. And thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. I hope you all the best and kita-kits sa mga susunod na tutorial videos natin regarding mathematics and engineering related contents. Have a great day. Bye-bye and God bless.